You rode a horse and wore your armor proudly. Let down my head and make a way for you to climb into the sky and catch the cloud that I've been dreaming on. Pulling petals at my window, I'll be singing my song to the man on the moon and counting fireflies that dot the canvas of the starry night. What more can I say? Oh, it's you who's made me this way. I'm so wrapped up like a bow wraps up the unknown, twisted, tangled in our fairy tale, wrapped in your arms, trapped in your heart, wrapped up in love. Oh, 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 wrapped up in love. Oh, oh. Slurring sonnets like love-drunk poets, take a sip past the glass around till we fall out of time, lost in a rhyme. It's so easy being me when I'm with you. What more can I say? Oh, it's you who's made me this way. I'm so wrapped up like a bow wraps up the unknown, twisted, tangled in our fairy tale, wrapped in your arms, trapped in your heart. I'm so wrapped up like a bow wraps up the unknown, twisted, tangled in our fairy tale, wrapped in your arms, trapped in your heart, wrapped up in love. Oh, oh, I'm so wrapped up. We're more than raw emotion. It's not a temporary high. We could crash down from. We're made of our emotion, building castles in the sky. You and me, how could it be? We're wrapped up like a bow wraps up the unknown, twisted, tangled in our fairy tale, wrapped in your arms, trapped in your heart. I'm so wrapped up like a bow wraps up the unknown, twisted, tangled in our fairy tale, wrapped in your arms, trapped in your heart.
Selamat ya buat Citra nih sama Ko Sandi, happy anniversary buat yang pertama. Langgeng terus, bahagia terus, sehat selalu dan cepat diberi momongan, keturunan. Amin, amin, amin.
Ya, selamat untuk Ko Sandi dan juga Cirani. Semoga Tuhan memberkati selalu untuk keluarganya dan juga boleh jadi berkat bagi orang sekitarnya. God bless you.
Haleluya, haleluya. Sandi, selamat untuk first wedding anniversary-nya. Saya sebagai hamba Tuhan yang memberkati pernikahan kalian, berdoa supaya pernikahan kalian tetap kuat, strong, dan tetap berbahagia sampai Tuhan Yesus datang kembali. Selamat dan Tuhan memberkati. Amin.
Done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me. A la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to open up your mind and see like open up your plan and damn, it's short. Look into your heart and you'll find love. I'm yours. No, I to the music of the moment. Come and dance with me. No more, no more. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm sure there's no need to open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Well, look into your heart and you'll find love. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment. Come and dance with me. I'm not happy, very short. It's our God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment. Come and dance with me.